Even though nothing is broken, a lot can still be made better. These are 3 truths that are simple but often overlooked. Truth 1. Each of us can and ought to take ownership of our own environment, feel in control of our own spaces, and make changes to enrich our everyday habits and lifestyle. The most subtle and constant way that we can improve our mental states is to develop better habits, and better habits can be facilitated if we create for ourselves conducive environments. Truth 2. Many of these changes and enhancements are within the capacity of any individual. With some basic knowledge and skills, some of these changes are purely logical and simple to execute. The best design interventions are those that involve small and inexpensive alterations to otherwise conventional but dysfunctional details. It is also important to not focus on following trends, as they will likely not address your particular circumstances and more likely be driven by the commercial agenda of looks and aesthetics alone. Truth 3. Even if one is limited by budget, it is still possible to consider many simple and effective adjustments to a space. Often the most powerful impact is making small improvements to a space, sometimes making adjustments in small degrees over a period of time, which then help us grow good new habits. If we keep ignoring minor misconceptions, we start to construct in our minds a more complex version of a false truth. Our brain has the power to reinforce images and beliefs regardless of their truth. It is important to recognize that such false truths can at times become so overwhelmingly sophisticated and so convincingly real that we will actually require a major overhaul, much like completely stripping the engine of an old motor car and redoing everything.